Hello everyone, this is Jim Krasinski with your weekly screencast video. So this week I'm beginning in the announcement section here just to take a look at the weekly schedule. On Tuesday, exercise 4.3 and your peer report are due. On Thursday, exercise 4.3 peer review number 1, and then on Sunday, peer review number 3 are due on Thursday and Sunday, following our pattern here. Also, be sure to take a look at this week's lecture video. I should have that up in a day or so about the organizational structure of the research essay, and also I believe weaving and sources. Last week I think we talked about using and citing sources. This week is how we weave our source information in and around our own writing. All right. So moving over to the modules section, just to take a look at the Google Drive instructions here. So in our course folder, you will find the research essay assignment folder. Okay. In order to emphasize the writing process, we will use the research essay folder to collaborate on the research essay. To organize our efforts, each student will create a folder in the research essay folder. Folders should be named your last name underscore research essay. So in each folder, exercise 4.3 in your peer report should be included in that folder. First draft and peer review and the peer review report should be also in that folder, and all on the final draft of your research essay. So if you wish to include any contributing material like your annotated bibliography or your double entry, where you've worked with your quotes, your paraphrases, your summaries, and your thinking, you can include. In fact, I encourage you to include those into your research essay folder. Okay, so moving on to exercise 4.3, it's pretty straightforward. After writing multiple leads on pages 128 to 129 in the 9th edition, or 161 and 164 in the 8th edition, complete exercise 4.3 step 1 in a GDoc titled exercise 4.3 your last name. After writing your leads, choose one that you like best and write a paragraph about your reasoning, answering the questions: how will it contribute to your essay? Why did you choose a particular opening? As you'll notice in the textbook, there are several. In fact, I think there's about 10 or more openings that may or may not fit your topic. Take your time and look through what each opening accomplishes before you select your 3. Remember, this is 3 paragraphs, each of having a lead and opening for your research essay, right? And then I say here in the drive instructions, just to follow up what I covered a little bit earlier, create a folder of your own with your GDoc of exercise 4.3 in your folder, then complete the peer review report about exercise 4.3 and add that to your folder also, so your classmates can review and respond to your efforts. Be sure to submit the GDoc links to exercise 4.3 and your report here for grading. So click on the the box, and text box will open and give me those 2 links in that text box, right? So this activity will be worth 30 points. Your 2 peer reviews will be turned in a separate assignment. Here, the 2 peer review links will be added to this assignment, which is worth 20 points. So the total of 50 points for the activity exercise 4.3 and the multiple leads, as it indicated in the syllabus, will add up then, right? So just to take a look at the drive folder, here you can see our drive folder. I've created the research essay folder here. As I look in here, we already see that Maysoon has got her folder in here, properly named, titled. And let's take a look and see at exercise 4.3. Okay, so Maysoon has already completed exercise 4.3. Let's see, did we get to the peer review report? No, that has not been done yet at this time. So as you can see, both items will be in the research essay folder. That's the way you want to set yours up. Then the first draft and peer report will in there. Sometime this week, I may think about creating some peer reporting groups that would not only apply to exercise 4.3 but also to the drafting process for that peer review. So be on the lookout, I should say, for the peer review groups. It'll be a GDoc included in the research essay folder. So be aware that will be probably put up in the next day or two. All right, I think I've covered just about everything about exercise 4.3 and the week's happenings. Good luck and stay safe out there.